Hello, check 1 2. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Magandang umaga po sa inyo dyan. As I promised, DJ Sky on the air. At umuusad. It's December 3. While I start to get on the freeway. Good morning sa aking mga tagapakinig dyan. I'm testing a new one this time and going live while I take you on a drive, on a Saturday morning drive dito sa, and I'm looking at the time sa ating mga tagapakinig ng DJ Sky on the air. It is December 3rd dito sa West Coast. We are broadcasting live Facebook and DJ Sky pushing the envelope of technology, sabi nga nila. Siyempre, sino mga yan and then in a moment once I get on the once I get on the freeway and I'll be like I said, this is a live Facebook DJ Sky on the air, giving you the best programming, ganyan, para sa ating mga tagapakinig ng DJ Sky. Normally, I'm on the internet radio, but this time I have been using DJ Sky on the air through the technology of Facebook Live. Tayo po, let me see who's the nakatenga dyan. Hello, tinitinan ko yung mga I'm looking at the names of those. I'm sure you have yung concern ninyo na I try to be a safe driver as much as possible, not getting distracted as I broadcast DJ Sky on the air, this time on the road live. I am northbound once I hit the freeway 805. And then heading towards Los Angeles, the city of angels. Good morning. Titignan ko yung mga names dyan para hello everyone out there, Danica and Manny, Santiago, si Kari, RC, I'm looking at the si Fred and DJ Sky broadcasting live dito sa ating programa, diba? But anyway, along with that, I'm bringing you also the Christmas carols of Jose Marichan. Alam niyo naman siya, very popular sa ating mga singers na mga Pinoy. So this is a Christmas carols special for featuring the songs of Jose Marichan as I broadcast live dito papuntang northbound, sabi nga nila, towards the city of angels. So and I'm cueing my music as I broadcast just to make sure you guys are okay. And one more time, featuring Jose Marichan, Christmas Carol. nakikinig sa DJ Sky on the air.
Throw away the old and bring in the new. This new year will brighten for me and for you. May your hurts and fears all disappear, your fondest dreams come true. A merry, merry Christmas and a happy, happy new
At we are broadcasting live, DJ Sky on the air, bringing you a different approach. This time, not being stationary. Along with that, I also have the camera rolling, just to make sure I still have the video. Alam naman, para sa aking video on demand, I still have the video rolling on my right side to record all the broadcasts that I have. Ayan. And I'm cueing songs of Jose Marichan, Christmas carols.
Let's throw away the old and bring in the new. This new year will brighten for me and for you. May your hurts and fears all disappear, your fondest dreams come true. A merry, merry Christmas. A merry, merry Christmas. And a happy, happy new year. A happy, happy new year. A merry, merry Christmas and a happy, happy new year to you.
Ayan, we just featured the Christmas carols, mga kanta, and featuring the Bells at Christmas by Jose Marichan. Kayo pinakikinig sa DJ Sky on the air, and we are going live. This time, going on the road. Hello, DJ Sky. So, I'm exploring a lot of the opportunities na ganyan. And of course, I know your concern. I make sure that I'm not getting distracted habang nagdadrive, and rightfully so. That is a reasonable concern to everyone. And I try to be a conscious driver. Parang parang tourist guide. Para lang akong just telling a story, much like pag pumunta ka sa Universal Studios, yung mga driver ng mga tourist buses na ganyan, di ba? Yun lang, parang nagkukwento lang kayo dyan just like me, and I'm cruising, this is on a city street, I'm cruising less than 50 miles an hour, so I'm okay. I'm not hindi mo nag-over speed, so I'm in the middle lane. It's pleasant traffic today, December 3rd, 2016. DJ Sky going live dito on the road. Again, when you're doing Facebook Live, you don't need any internet. Ang kailangan nyo lang sa phone nyo. That's all you need, your phone. There's no need for any other sources other than having your internet on your phone. That's all you need. So you're not keying in, and you're not dependent on any system for that matter. That's why for the last 4 broadcast scenarios, I've been exploring the technology na ganyan, just to make sure. And of course, DJ Sky is here doing Facebook Live habang tinatahak natin ang mga kalye na ganyan. Para sa, and I have the camera here, which I'm looking at. Sometimes I keep checking the visual just to make sure okay ako. I'm not getting distracted or anything like that. Para lang maganda yung recording ng video ko. Tatalakayin natin ang mga trending news sa Pilipinas, ang mga balita. And I try to make my brains work left and right, at saka multitasking. But anyway, it's a Saturday morning dito sa Northwest. I mean sa North America, Estados Unidos. We are broadcasting from Southern California as we cruise the hello, ayan si Kari, si Dennis, si Shaira Martinez, si Don, multitasking ka talaga, sabi ni Dan. Merry Christmas, KNR, sabi ni Dan saka si Tiodi. Hello, Shaira. Hello, Mayan. Hello, Carrie, Quezon City. Hello, Dennis Pascual ng Chula Vista. Good morning sa inyong lahat dyan. It is Pacific Standard Time. Dito po sa Southern California, and we are broadcasting right here sa DJ Sky on the air, going on the road this time, Facebook Live. Why not? basta stable ang signal. Hopefully I can hold the signal for at least an hour. I'm okay because I'm testing some gadgets that I have. The same thing as I get ready. Yan, yung mga nakikinig dyan, hello to everyone. Don, Tiodi, Dennis Pascual, si Carrie Arizala, si Mayan, si Shaira Martinez. Hello, si Carrie, kanina si Carrie, Mrs. ni Ka Eddie. She was cute in a while ago, but I'm looking at my Facebook Live as I broadcast DJ Sky on the air, December 3, 2016. Don't forget, by the way, starting after going into the Christmas season, I will be broadcasting under FDS Radio Network sa DWBL 1242 kHz on your AM radio dito sa Metro Manila area. Habang maglalakwat siya si DJ Sky, alam niyo naman. And I will try to broadcast using I'm using a special gadget for internet. I'll be pulling down signals from the satellite. Kasi alam mo na ang problema dun sa Pilipinas kamisan, internet is as a premium. Is at a premium at talagang ang hirap kunin yung signal eh. Lalo na pag pumunta ka sa probinsya, nako patay. When I was there last time in July, I was pulling down signals with my mobile internet, pero yung parehong nagmo-monopolize na branding ng internet doon under, sabihin ko na, sa Globe at saka Smart, ang hirap talaga lalo na pagpunta ka na sa probinsya. Now this time I'm bringing in a special gadget that I bought, and I will be testing that. It is a Wi-Fi, and I'll be pulling down internet signal from the satellite. So hello Mary Jane Alvero. Hello Dubai, kumusta na po kayo? Si Claudette Kerubin, hello Sacramento. Si Sheila Manikan, also from Sorrento Valley, right here in Southern California. Hello to everyone as I pull down a new style of programming. DJ Sky on the air, Facebook Live, right on the road, northbound 5, heading for the City of Angels. Yeah. Anyway, as I go through these stoplights and I get on merging on 805, and some of you in Southern California would know the directions I'm heading right now. So I'm getting off the Mira Mesa Boulevard and exiting through the Sorrento Valley area, and I'll get on 805 northbound here shortly, and about 60 seconds as I wait for the green light. Yung mga nakikinig dyan, thank you very much. Kahit pa paano, you always tune in on my program DJ Sky on the air. Hello Don MTOD, Dennis Pascual in Chula Vista, si Mayan sa Vista, si Carrie Arizala na Quezon City, si Claudette Kerubin ng Sacramento, binabati ko rin yung aking mga kaibigan dyan sa Vegan City, by the way, yung Divine Word College of Vegan. As I change lanes here, para I try to drive as safe as I can, of course, making sure I'm okay, staying within the speed limit, as you see. So there's nothing, and you see some cars passing by, so I'm fairly driving the speed limit this time. It is a Saturday morning. Bumili na rin ako ng ham and cheese ko. I got my ham and cheese breakfast croissants. Dito I have to stop by, and now I'm heading through 5 northbound heading towards the City of Angels na ganyan. And I'm featuring a lot of the Christmas songs by Jose Marichan. Ayan. Hi, good morning to each and every one of you out there. Hello, good afternoon to Dubai, dyan sa Middle East. Magandang hapon po sa inyo dyan. Sa Pilipinas, magandang hating gabi. Magandang hating gabi. And anyway, and I have, I didn't put on my logo. There's my logo there, DJ Sky. As I drive northbound, pushing the envelope, like I said, I keep checking. And I do have a video camera on my right-hand side also to record everything. So I have all these little gadgets and they're all battery powered. That's something I have to devise and come up with something like that, because again, I want to bring you different ways of subscribing to my program, DJ Sky on the Air. By the way, we are exploring also partnering with some healthcare company in the Philippines. Hopefully, pag-uwi ko nitong holidays, we can work something out with, there seems to be an interested party sa Pilipinas that wants to partner and put the program on the air para sa ating mga tagapakinig dyan sa internet or radio. And this is DJ Sky on the Air. It is the 3rd of December 2016. We are broadcasting live on the road northbound Interstate 5 heading to the City of Angels dito po sa Southern California. Magandang umaga po, magandang hapon, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat dyan.
I held my baby in my arms, a tender warmth ran deep. The sound of chimes softly playing as I cradled her to sleep. Special moments live forever, Christmas moments I'll remember, magic moments in December that will last our whole life through. Special moments live forever, Christmas moments I'll remember, magic moments in December that will last our whole life through.
Hello dyan, hello Virginia, ang aking pinsan si LV. Excuse in, magandang umaga, good morning sa Virginia. LV Abawag on the dagat. Si Sheila Manikan also dyan sa Sorrento Valley is also tune in. Thank you very much sa inyong mga tagapakinig dyan. DJ Sky on the Air, December 3, as I feature some of the songs of Christmas with Jose Marichan na ganyan. Kaya and salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. DJ Sky on the Air Facebook Live. We are on the road northbound Interstate 5 heading for the City of Angels.
I remember my Christmas when I was 10. Oh, what I would give to be a young boy again and hear those carolers singing. My heart with joy was brimming as a child anticipating the bells of Christmas morn. I remember my Christmas at 25, the love of a wife and the gift of a child. I held my baby in my arms, a tender warmth ran deep. The sound of chimes softly playing as I cradled her to sleep. Special moments live forever, Christmas moments I'll remember, magic moments in December that will last our whole life through. Special moments live forever, Christmas moments I'll remember, magic moments in December that will last our whole life through. Christmas creates cherished moments so dear. It means many things to us from year to year. Years come
Hello Vegan City, Marla. Magandang ano ba yan? Hating gabi pala dyan. Hello Marla, yung mga friends ko dyan sa Vegan City, sila mga taga Solid West, sila Dolly Fermato, sila Cesar Baldonado, sila Tony Bilhera, si Bing Amistad, yung mga Valedor family, sila Lilia, Dr. Lilia, all my friends out there in Solid West, mga Raguro family, Apanay family, also sa Metro Manila area, sila Joe Apanay, sila Dennis Fernandez, the batch of Divine Word College class of 7-0 high school, ay mga tropa natin dyan, sila paring Virgil Mata, sila Rory Navarro, sila Cora King, sila Julia Taramillo, sila Vicky Ardates, who else? Sila Tomas Ang, yun ang mga batch ko ng high school naman, sila Cecilia D, dyan in the Metro Manila area, si Cesar Segundo nga pala. I'm trying to remember it as I drive. And don't worry, I'm driving, I'm cruising at speed limit, and I basically just you see all the cars passing me by, and no big deal because I'm just cruising, taking it easy out here. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 4-lane freeway heading Southern California na ganyan, and I'm okay just driving by the speed limit. But this is DJ Sky on the air as tatalakayin natin. Siyempre, may mga cue ako dito, and I have my cue notes to where I can cover a lot of the trending news sa Pilipinas. I'm sure na marami kayong mga yan. Hindi pa rin natatapos yung mga libingan ng bayani. Ayan, mga ano yan. Yung Senate hearing kay De Lima is still ongoing. Yung kay Kerwin Espinoza is still ongoing. Kasi gigisahin na naman. Let me see. December 5, I think it's the next hearing for Kerwin Espinoza, getting into yung pagkamatay ng kanyang tatay, the former mayor of Albuero sa Pilipinas. So it's an ongoing, and of course the Lima case of the drug sa Bilibid prison, ganyan, it's also ongoing. Libingan ng mga bayani, hindi na yata matatapos eh. Anyway, yung nga nangyayari sa libingan ng mga bayani, andyan pinamumunuhan ni Senator Kiko Pangilinan, who is the I think the temporary appointed presidente ng Partido Liberal ngayon. Siya namumuno, at saka yung si Renato, what's that, I forgot the last name, who is a career ginagawa lang niya, nagko-coordinate ng mga demonstrador. But anyway, as far as my personal opinion, the DJ Sky, as far as the case ng libingan ng mga bayani, it's time for them to let it go. Kung minsan umiiral yung pagka-Pinoy na may sama ng loob, hindi na papatawad. Pati Santo Papa sinabing, marunong ka, kailangan matuto ka magpatawad. Sabi ni, pati Santo Papa sinasabi sa inyo na marunong ka magpatawad sa kapwa mo. Let me tell you, let me share you what I think, and this is my opinion, of course. As we say, when it comes to the case ng Marcos, the martial law, at itong libingan ng mga bayani na ganyan, na tinitira pa rin ngayon na nailibing si Marcos sa libingan ng mga bayani. They could not just take that reality. Kung gusto nila talagang kutkutin, yung problema, yung mga during the martial law, may dalawang tao pang buhay na kasama dyan eh. Ayan, andyan si Enrile, andyan si dating presidente, FBR. So, FBR used to be the head ng Philippine Constabulary, if I'm not mistaken, na ganyan. So, kung talagang kutkutin nila yan, tanungin nila kay FBR kung ano talaga ang mga nangyari noon. Patay na yun, anong gagawin nila? Mag-demonstrate sila? What are they gonna do? Pababangunin? Meron pang isang nagsabi na isang senador na huhukayin yung kanyang you know what? It backfires on people. Lalo na, siyempre, predominantly Catholic ang Pilipinas na ganyan. Huhukayin mo yung bangkay ni Juan, ang huhukayin mo yung sarili mo na ganyan. It is so, I don't know what kind of pag-iisip na ganyan. Matagal lang patay yung tao, nilibing na, katahimikan na, tapos na. And yet, they're still out there demonstrating even in Menjola na ganyan, which was the battleground during those times. But if you look at the case of the Menjola, the bombing of Menjola, maraming twisted facts. Someone that can also attest to that is the former lieutenant who became general, Victor Corpus, who defected to the National People's Army, NPA, during his time. Kasi nga, against sa Marcos na ganyan. Pero ang katotohanan, nung kanong si Victor Corpus, nung kanon nun, dahil Victor Corpus also was instrumental in as a member of the NPA, nung tumiwalag na siya ng armed forces, pumunta siya sa NPA, namundok siya, siya yung NPA contact na sasalubong doon sa mga armas na galing sa China. Yan. Sabi mo, NPA yan, may gagagawan yan. So, sino nga mo, babalikan mo NPA, and Communist Party of the Philippines, Jose Maria Sison, na ganyan, who are right now, they're negotiating all the CPP, the NPA, NDF, na ganyan sa Pilipinas. And, you know, if they could work things out with Jose Maria Sison out there, kung titingnan mo naman ang buhay ni Jose Maria Sison, nagpapasarap lang naman siya sa Netherlands. At the expense ng mga taong namumundok. Come on, face it. But anyway, I'm gonna try to stare para ma-acknowledge ko yung mga tune na listening out there. Sila Kaver, hello, ano pala, Florida na pala. Si Vera saka si Janet, panay ang karaoke nila kahapon nagla-live sila. Binabati ko yung mga kaibigan natin dyan sa Florida, sila Kaver at saka si Mrs. J. Ayan, kita mo na pag kumanta siya, crazy, I'm crazy for feeling so lonely. Ay, tama na, baka nabibirit yung aking boses. Sila Shira Manikan, binabati ko lang sila Quezon City, Caria Rizala, si Dennis Pascual, at saka si Emmy Pascual dyan sa Chula Vista. Sila Kari Orsi also was there. Sila Clouded, hello Sacramento, yung mga kapatid ko rin dyan sila, yung mga kabayan ko dyan sila, mga Kerubin family, Singson, mga anak ni Justy Alwad naman ng Bebot, Singson. Also, karuban namin, yung kapitbahay namin noong araw yan, sila anak nila Manang Menching. Ayan, yan. I'm also greeting everyone out there in Sacramento, and I thank you for tuning in to DJ Sky on the air. This time, we're going on Facebook Live, northbound, papuntang City of Angels. So, yan. While we play a lot of the Christmas carols by Jose Marichan, we feature. And let me see. Hello, Vegan Sida. Diyan din si Marla Vergara. Binabati ko yung mga tropa dyan sa, gabi na pala dyan sa Vegan. At for all those of you that have never visited the place where I grew up, City of Vegan sa Ilocos Sur, bumisita kayo. And napaka-traffic na doon, napakarami ng tao. But hey, that's what turismo brings. It brings residual economy sa Pilipinas, doon sa Vegan City. Hey, it's good for the economy na ganyan. Binabati ko rin yung aking mga kaibigan dyan sa Abra, dyan sa San Quintin and Palang. Actually, I was born there and I grew up in the City of Vegan. I started with Colegio de la Immaculada, and then I went to Burgos Elementary School, and then I went to Divine Word College of Vegan, which was formerly Colegio de la Immaculada, Concepcion na ganyan. And I'm looking at the nakikita ko yung camera ko nag-jitter baka I hope it's not masyadong see if I can ayun, kasi ayan. Hopefully it will lessen the vibration. Napapansin ko kasi na but anyway, kayo ba nakikinig? DJ Sky on the air, Facebook Live, December 3, 2016. Hello North America, hello Dubai, hello Middle East, sila Ori Antonio dyan sa may Yanbo, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Binabati ko rin yung mga taga Rome, Italy, meron akong kapitbahay dyan na nag-queue in sa Facebook, si Cora Castañeda, Cora Monson Castañeda. At binabati ko rin sila, yung mga yung brother ko si Edwin at saka kanyang Mrs. Marites, ang kanyang may bahay dyan sa Sacramento. Binabati rin natin siyempre. And as we play a lot of the Christmas carols by Jose Marie John. As I've said, I'm featuring a lot of the Christmas carols by Jose Marie Chan. Alam mo naman si natin. As I entertain you as we go into the holidays, alam niyo naman malapit na naman, ilang araw na lang. And don't forget, by the way, ayan, comes during the Christmas holiday, I will be broadcasting under the FBS radio network with DWBL 1242 AM kilohertz on your AM radio on the Metro Manila area. Also, they have video and radio streaming sa DWBL. So I'll be able to hopefully get on the air, and I'm testing some devices to deal with the internet issues sa Pilipinas. Ganyan. Again, Don and Tioli Cook, the Cook family, dyan sa 92126 zip code. Yeah. As I pass by Highway 78 on the Oceanside Corridor. Hello Vista, hello Filipinas, hello Dubai, hello Quezon City, hello Vegan City. Yan si Marla, nakikinig si Marla Vergara, and as I broadcast. But thank you very much for tuning in with DJ Sky on the air. Habang tinatalakay natin ang mga issues, mga masasayang topiko, pati na rin yung ating kaibigan, binabanatan ngayon, the former MMDA chairman, Mr. Tolentino. Ayan. Remember, he ran for the Senate, tumakbong sa senador. Hindi siya nanalo kasi focus ng Smartmatic eh. But also binabanatan na rin si Tolentino, the former MMDA chairman na ganyan. Kasi siyempre tumiwalag siya dun sa grupo ng liberal during that time because remember the anomaly about the yung dancer na pumunta dun sa campaign na venue nila. Pinagbintangan si Tolentino ang nagdala nun kaya ganyan. So nag-resign na siya doon sa MMDA chairman just to cut that thing. Again, I think in my opinion, Mr. Tolentino is a very credible person, and I hope that he can be back for government service. He was doing well as the MMDA chairman at one time na ganyan. Yung mga LTFRB, kung isa-isay mo lang gigisahin na maganyan. Also, here's another issue. Remember the Yolanda funds? I just printed the roster of donors from outside ng Pilipinas. You know how many? There's about almost 50 listahan ng mga donors ng Yolanda funds during that time, and with an aggregate, it's almost 900 million US dollars ang donation. Ang question is, saan napunta yon? That's almost 40 billion pesos. Kung saan napunta yon? Aside from yung mga nasirang mga pagkain at sa mga perishable goods na nangyari doon. It is very disconcerting. And again, let's face it, Duterte, when he came in, President Duterte came in na ganyan, it was a breath of fresh air for government service. Kasi somehow, yes, he only have 6 years in service, but mabuti na yung merong pumasok na maglilinis, at least nag-a-attend siyang linisan ng gobyerno. And I think he has this in his heart, President Duterte, to be able to clean the government para ituwid ang mga mali na ganyan, para naman mabigyan ng mga serbisyo ang mga tao, ang sambayanan, di ba? There's nothing wrong with that. And I think at first, like most of us, were very skeptical with President Duterte, di ba? Kasi nga, ang umiiral kasi sa atin at one time, yung siyempre, hindi tayo sanay dun sa style niya na bilang matagal na mayor ng Davao City, talagang sanay siya na gano'n, nagmumura siya na ganyan. And also in his Visayan, nagmumura siya na ganyan, parang yun ang umiiral na natin. So at first, even for me, it was hard to understand him. Kasi nga yung pananalita niya, nagmumura siya na ganyan. So very uncharacteristics for a government official. Now, siyempre, he stepped up as the president of the Pilipinas. So I hope, I sincerely hope na ma-tone down na yung kanyang pagmumura na ganyan. And because he's doing, I think altogether, he's doing a good public service naman. So it is good for Pilipinas, it's good sa mga Pilipino na ganyan. Asa nakikita mo, yung mga budget, ang dami siyang binapatong mga budget kasi maraming perang available. Ngayon, yung mga merong mga ulterior motives na government officials this time, medyo alof sila, siyempre. Babanatan silang Duterte. He doesn't hesitate to kick out. Mamaya, I'll play a little bit of Christmas carols ni Jose Marichan, and then babalikan ko naman yung issue yung reinstatement ni PNP Colonel Marcos. Colonel Marcos was the head of the team that went in sa preso nung namatay si Mayor Espinosa. Diba? They were serving I believe a warrant kay former Mayor Espinosa na tatay ni Kerwin Espinosa. And suddenly nagkagulo, nagkabarilan, dead ball, dalawa. Yung isang preso, another prisoner by the name of Yap also was killed, including Espinosa. And most likely, kaya namatay si Yap dahil most likely he witnessed a lot of the events na ganyan. So that's just the way. Again, I don't know if they can pinpoint. Let's face it, yung pagkamatay ni Mayor Espinosa dyan sa preso, who was supposed to be in the custody of those that is a threat sa credibility ng Presidente Duterte because they were supposed to be guarded na ganyan. And DILG it was not DILG that went in because they were serving a warrant na ganyan. So and they were not authorized to do that. So anyway, they went in, ayun, nagkagulo, namatay tuloy yung high value na prisoner. And so now ang testimony ni Kerwin Espinosa is coming into play. And along with that, yung mga testimony, itong hearing naman sa Senado kay De Lima, yung mga testimony nila, mga Rani Dayan sa family, pati yung daughter niya, it's very disturbing if you look at it. Kung titingnan mo ang Pilipinas talaga, kung for a moment, isipin mo, pag hindi pumasok si Duterte na presidente, tuloy pa rin ang ligaya ng mga yan, di ba? So, it is a good break. Kahit man lang 6 years man lang malinisan ng gobyerno, mabawasan. I don't think you can totally eradicate yung corruption dyan. Mababawasan man lang na ganyan. And let's face it, President Duterte is in his heart to clean out the government and do a public service. And to live up true to its nature, a government of the people, a government for the people, and a government by the people. Diba? Pagpatuloy natin, kayo pinakikinig sa DJ Sky on the air, Facebook Live, December 3, 2016, as I go on the road, 5 northbound towards the City of Angels, the Los Angeles. Yan.
The sky, wish that he were here, all alone am I, foolish.
Binabati ko rin yung aking kapatid si Melly Sumalnap. Hello Melly, kumusta na po kayo dyan? Dyan sa Hello Mira Mesa. As I go Facebook Live, DJ Sky on the air. broadcasting from North America, Southern California, northbound Interstate 5 towards the City of Angels. Good morning, magandang hapon, magandang gabi, magandang tanghali sa inyong lahat.
Lead him back into my arms. I swear that I'll never let him go. Bright star, light his way. Let him know that I still love him so. Christmas Eve, I'm so lonely. It's just no way to be. Wish upon you, starlight, bring him back home to me.
Kayo po nakikinig sa DJ Sky on the air. Ito po as I go Facebook Live northbound. Facebook Live on the road si DJ Sky bringing you the best of programming dito po sa aking programa. Ako po si DJ Sky.
Lead him back into my arms. I swear that I'll never let him go. Bright star, light his way. Let him know that I still love him so. Christmas Eve, I'm so lonely. It's just no way to be. Wish upon you, starlight, bring him.
Binabati ko yung mga nakikinig, nakatune in sa DJ Sky on the air. Sila Don and Theody, the Cook family of the zip code 92126. Si Dennis Pascual, saka si Emmy Pascual ng Chula Vista. Ang aking kapatid si Melly, sila Quezon City, si Carrie Arizala, yung mga Vegan City, si Marla Vergara, si Claudette. Hello Sacramento, binabati ko rin kayo. Hello Vegan City. Dito sa National City, binabati ko rin sila. All the listeners out there sa Dubai, si Miss Mary Jane Alvero also tune in. Si Danica also. Si Danica was my graphics designer dyan sa Mandaluyong. So she was instrumental in some of the shirts that I have custom made. Ganyan. As I passed by, there was a drop-off on the signal. Tinitingnan ko kanina. So anyway, kayo pa nakikinig sa DJ Sky on the air. December 3, 2016, Sabado po dito sa North America as I broadcast on the road, Facebook Live. Again, DJ Sky, experimenting a lot of this technology sa Pilipinas. Don't forget, Christmas into the New Year, I will be broadcasting through DWBL AM 1242 under the FBS Radio Network. Member ng Kapisanan ng Broadcasters ng Pilipinas. Tayo po ay mapapakinggan yun through video streaming, radio streaming at saka on my YouTube channel. Siyempre, if you want to listen to a lot of my videos on YouTube channel, just search Mr. Sky Pigeon. Isang word lang yon. Mr. Sky Pigeon. MrSkyPigeon. search that on YouTube and you're gonna run into a lot of my videos doon. So you can watch it para mapapakinggan nyo yung mga marami akong the fortune cookies in our lives, the art of letting go, yung mga ganon, di ba? So those are usually 1 hour video specials na ganyan. And aside from my DJ Sky on the Air series, you can watch those things at your convenience na ganyan. And now I'm heading northbound and I'm passing through the border checkpoint at San Clemente na ganyan. So most of you that are from this area would know where I'm at right now and how far am I to the City of Angels. Again, if I lose the signal for whatever reason, that's okay. At least I was able to broadcast I was just expecting to be able to broadcast for an hour because I wasn't sure if the signal is gonna hold na ganyan. And I'm looking over the ocean on my left side na ganyan. The traffic is not that bad. Even the southbound traffic is not really that bad because most of the time when they are approaching the Oceanside Corridor, nagta-traffic na dyan because of the corridor ng dito sa Palomar, saka yung Legoland, ganyan nagta-traffic. Usually on a Saturday morning, everybody's heading southbound. Ganyan, papunta silang San Diego for vacations. Ganyan. Alam mo naman ang San Diego has a lot of things to offer. You have the USS Midway CV-41, ganyan. Mga SeaWorld, Soledad Mountain, sa border, if you want to go shopping across Tijuana in Mexico. We have the observatory and the telescope at Mount Wilson. Palomar, if you want to go camping sa Borrego Springs, you can also go there. So marami mo pasyalan just by the bay ng San Diego. There's a lot of things to dun sa Cabrillo Monument, and I'm passing by the nuclear reactor dito. Tawag namin ito Dolly Parton. But anyway, thank you dyan sa mga naka-tune in na ganyan. And what I'm gonna do is I'll probably have a detour here and then I'll take down the notes of Bohar Tune In para hindi ako nadi-distract because I don't want to compromise my driving safety just to look at who are tuned in. So it's better for me to at least make an exit briefly for about a minute or two na ganon, and then para makita ko, and then I can take down the notes and give a shout out to lahat ng mga nakikinig sa DJ Sky on the Air dito po sa aking programa na tuwing linggo-linggo every Saturday. Again, as I have told you, hopefully there is an healthcare corporation company in Pilipinas na interesadong that would like to be able to broadcast with us, to be in partner with us as we broadcast some of the programs. And one of the programs they're looking at is kay Ogie Cruz, kay senior citizens, kay Lola, na ganyan, at saka yung DJ Sky on the Air. The 3 programs that they are interested, that they would like to explore and be able to partner with us sa kanilang promotion ng kanilang healthcare. The name of the company is ATC Healthcare International, by the way, in case you're wondering. So they're looking at those 3 programs, and we'll see. We'll probably have a sit-down meeting when I get to sa Pilipinas. Again, hello, Melody Kwan, ang ating contact point sa Pilipinas, si Melody. Umaga na pala sa Pilipinas. Good morning, Miss Melody Kwan. And andito, you see all the cars passing me by on the left side. So ako naman, I'm just taking my time. I'm on the slowest lane, and no big deal because at least I can manage to at least take my time and not compromise my driving safety. Yan, di ba? Habang nagpapatugtog ako ng mga Christmas carols ni Jose Marichan. Yan. And And now I'm leaving the San Diego County line and I'm entering the Orange County line right now. Orange County, parang mga provincial boundaries ito eh, ganyan. Diba? So, I'm gonna briefly make an exit here, look at all the names so I can do a shout out. Put down your name on it. So, do your shout out as I look at each and every one of them para hindi ako nagtitingin na nagsusulat habang nagdadrive, di ba? So, just to be fair and in my safety, kayo po nakikinig sa DJ Sky on the air. I'm gonna make an exit here in a minute or two. I'm gonna make the names and your shout outs and then I'll get back on the road briefly na ganyan.
Let's share all the love inside. Be aware, be a little child. Open wide all the doors to your heart. Christmas time was a wondrous season. Let God inside. Marvel at His wonders with the eyes of a child. Let us bring on the message of God's invitation. Let us sing out His message far and wide. We're all children and brothers through all generations. Live the meaning of Christmas with the eyes of a child. Love and kindness to all with the eyes of a child.
Ayan. As I'm gonna stop by here briefly. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do hello, sino yan? Nena, Ate Nena, Rubio, Mela, si Manang Nena, my townmate from, as I take down the notes of all those, para hindi naman makompromise yung aking driving safety as I broadcast sa aking, ano na yan, kaya habang nakikinig kayo sa DJ Sky on the air, at ayan, I'm trying to adjust my my camera dito. Hopefully hindi mapo-compromise yung ko kasi nagtitilt yung ano ko, yung ayan, backing ano. But anyway, I'll take the notes. I will take the notes at medyo umiinit. Umiinit yung ano, and then let me take the notes of the ano, yung mga naka-tune in. Hello, and then let me see, and then I look at the names. Let me see, si Don and Theody, ayan, binabati ko sila, si Dennis saka si Emmy Pascual, and Emmy Pascual, maganyan, si aking pinsuan, si LB Abawag, also of Virginia. Ayan, binabati ko rin siya, sila Caver, saka si Janet, ganyan, si Carrie Arizala of Quezon City. Ayan, si Carrie Orsi, binabati ko rin dyan sa Chula Vista. Si Melly Sumalnap, actually my sister in Mira Mesa. Sila Claudette, Claudette ng Kerubin of Sakto, Sacramento. Si Sheila Manikan, ayan, sinusulat ko para hindi makompromise yung safety ko. Sila Marla Vergara of Vegan City, also binabati ko rin. Sila Nena Robio Amena, and mga our townmate, our relative from San Quintin also. And then who else is out there? I'm trying to find out who else. I'm gonna scan briefly and then check all the names just to make sure na ganyan, di ba? And Nena Rubio, Fred, si Fred Agkawili, binabati ko rin. Agkawili, mga tropa na namin sa Okinawa yan. Si Fred, hello Fred, it's nice to see you. Dana Varcesa ng ng Hawaii. I believe Dana is in Hawaii. Let me see. Nena Galan, I believe also. I think Nena Galan was at the party ng tropa namin sa Barona in last November 18. Flor Santiago is also in the house. Si Manny Santiago, yung mga kumpare ko yan, mga tropa namin. Anyway, so I'm writing down all the names so I don't miss everyone. Sheila Manikan, sino pa yung mga na-miss ko? I hope si kapatid ko, si Edwin Barcena o Sacramento, yan, binabati ko rin sila. Si Fred Santiago, Nena Galan. Again, as I bring you DJ Sky on the air, na ganyan. And then I'm gonna cue back this, and so I'll set up my camera again, get it back. I have a special mounting here sa aking dashboard na ganyan. Ayan. But anyway, as I bring, salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Anyway, si Nena Galan, umiinit yung umiinit yung araw, kaya I'll remove my shirt and that way, ayan. So as I bring okay, I'll get back on the road. Hopefully I didn't miss anybody. Fred Agkawili, hello, Hanford, Limor area corridor. Ito, binabasa ko yung mga kwan. Marla Vergara ng Vegan City, ayun din. So Marla Vergara ng Vegan City, let me see of Marla Vergara. Sino pa? But na ganyan. Binabati natin yung ating mga tagapakinig na ka-tune in ng DJ Sky all the air. It is December 3rd. It is a Saturday, and DJ Sky and then let me adjust my camera na ganyan. Yeah. But anyway, as again, I'll get back on the road, and thank you very much. Sino ba? Si Maring Flor Santiago is also there, si Manning Santiago. And I'm gonna go back as I get back on the road. I stop by here sa aking, let me see if I have a shot at this. I'm trying to make a nice exit as I pull out from this parking lot here dito sa may San Clemente. So again, DJ Sky broadcasting this time live dito, Facebook Live on the road as I drive northbound sa aking I'm heading to the City of Angels, by the way, which is normally an hour and a half to 2 hours drive, ganyan. So here I am. I did make an exit here sa may San Clemente by Camino Real. So some of you may know this road. And again, kayo pinakikinig sa DJ Sky on the air. Don't forget, as I have reminded time and again, because during the holidays, si DJ Sky ay maglalakwat siya sa Pilipinas. And usually when I am in the area sa Metro Manila, I broadcast with FBS Radio Network with DWBL AM 1242 kilohertz on your AM radio. Now I'm getting back to back on the freeway. right here northbound. So here we go. I'm passing. I just entered the city of San Clemente. The traffic is brisk. It's not that bad. Even the southbound traffic is not that bad. I guess everyone is out there shopping for now. So ayun mga naka-tune in dyan, and I go through the names dito. Starting, hello Marla Vergara of Vegan City. Thank you for tuning in. Si Edwin Barcena at sa aking kapatid sa Sacramento. Yung mga kapatid ko dyan, by the way, sila Jackie. Malapit na mag-birthday yung aking bunso, si Jackie Bringas. Sa mga anak niya, binabati ko lang sila Jason at saka si Shahira. Ang mga kapatid ko dyan sa Sacramento, si Brad Orly, si Nieves, kanyang missus, si Becky, at saka si Jojo, ang kanyang mister, sila Alvin, sila Shirley, the Danke family of West Sacramento, binabati ko rin po sila. Si Noli, ang aming kapatid sa Ireland, binabati ko rin sila. Ang kanyang may bahay, si Gina, dyan sa Ireland. And I think they're doing okay. Maybe one of these days I'll go and visit them na ganyan. Si Melly, sino pa yung mga ano? Si Melly nakikinig dyan sa Miramesa, the 92126 corridor. But anyway, we thank you. I go through the names and then I'll go back to yung issue ng pagka-reinstate ni Colonel Marcos, who was the team that went in and served the warrant for the former mayor of Alguero, Mayor Espinosa Senior, father ni Kerwin. Ganyan. So, tinitingnan ko itong isang kotse, halos lilipad na yung kanyang surfboard eh. So sometimes you look at, there's all kinds of people out there driving. Don't worry, I know you're concerned. Hopefully I can do it safely. I'm traveling on a speed limit and I'm on the slow lane number 2. There are 4 lanes. Alam mo naman ang California freeways. So we have 4 lanes here dito sa may Ave, just passing by San Clemente. Na ganyan. So DJ Sky heading towards the City of Angels using Facebook Live with my broadcast. Na ganyan. So again, if you're broadcasting Facebook Live, all you need is a Facebook account, obviously, and then you need an internet access. That's all you need. Na ganyan. You don't need anything else. Binabati ko rin sila Don and Theody Cook, si Caver, at saka si Janet, si Dennis, saka si Emmy Pascual ng Chula Vista, si LB Abawag ng Virginia. Hello Virginia. Wala kayo, Malikantupay ka, Balasiwan. And then that's how we say it pag sa Sangkintin kasi, pag pumunta ka ng Sangkintin at pupunta ka ng Palang, mag-cross ka ng river. So, kailangan ng balsero. For some reason, kung magsasalita ka, hindi pero pag yung ganun ang tunog na maririnig nila yung yung cry for request na merong balsero na ganyan. Kaya sabi namin from Sangkintin to Palang, pag naghahanap ka ng balsero, wala kayo, mali kami yung tayo Balasiwan dito. Yun namin, yun ang native language namin sa Palang. Yeah. Hello dyan sa Vegan City, si Kari Arizala ng Quezon City at saka mga members ng CCBC, mga nila dyan. And then si Kari Orsi, ang may bahay ni Ka Eddie, baka tulog pa si Ka Eddie na ganyan. At I think Ka Eddie at some point I think is trying to broadcast Facebook Live. Pero ang kailangan lang naman niya Facebook account at saka internet. That's all you need. You don't even need anything else. Si sister ko Melly Sumalnap, the Sumalnap family dyan, binabati ko rin po sila. Si Claudette, mga Kerubin family of Sacramento. Si Marla Vergara ng Vegan City. Si Nena Robio Mena dyan sa may malapit sa Travis ang lugar nila. One of these days, Manang Nena, Rubio, I'll one of these days, if I am in Sacramento, maybe we can visit you together with my sisters like Becky and Jackie. We can come over and visit you dyan somewhere in the Travis area. I used to go to Vallejo a lot, visiting out there, so that corridor is very familiar with me. Ganyan. Binabati ko rin si Sheila Manican of Sorrento Valley, andyan sila. Si Vincent, binabati ko rin si Vincent, at saka si Ate Melly, ang mother ni Vincent, na ganyan. Binabati ko rin sila. Hello, Sorrento Valley. And again, as I told you, I'm passing past the lampas na ako this way. I'm heading towards Orange County. Nasa Orange County na ako. So I'm on the freeway 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a 5-lane freeway here, Southern California, northbound. Papunta ito, approaching San Juan Capistrano tayo. There is some nice places out here, eateries dyan sa may gusto kong pumupunta sa pier dito sa San Juan Capistrano. And if ever sila Fred ang Kawili, binabati ko rin dyan. Hello, Limor. Si Fred, yan ang tropa ko dyan yung mga kasama ko, yung mga tatlong macho. We all used to be Fred was in the Air Force, US Air Force. At saka mga tropa natin, marami akong tropang taga US Air Force when I was stationed doon sa Navy, Naval Air Facility sa Kadina. Na-station ako doon. Marami akong naging kaibigan mga taga Air Force, and some of them in the Marines, and some of them are in the US Army sa ganyan. Because there is a large contingent dyan sa Kadina Air Base. That is a large air base na ganyan. It is a large air base. It is considered a what you call bingo place, or a backup landing area for the space shuttle. Ang yung Kadina, believe it or not, na ganyan. So those were the days from 1991 to 1994 when I was stationed there. Meron kaming air taxi. We have a UC-12 which is parang air taxi namin. It's about 8 to 10 passengers, depende sa configuration. And we used to fly a lot sa Manila. We service US Embassy Manila about 3 or 4 times a week. Ganyan. So pati yung spouse ko, yung ex ko noon nakasakay din binaba pa nga siya sa Naval Air Station QB Point, door-to-door service. Okay naman kasi yung Admiral noon. He was very family oriented, and come up for Japan in the White Beach Port. So we have sino ba? Si Dana Barcesa ng Hawaii, yung aking mga kamag-anak dyan sa Hawaii. Binabati ko sila lahat dyan. You may or may not know na my father, Johnny, or Juan Baula Barcena, Johnny Barcena, actually for the better part of his life grew up sa Hawaii. Ayan. So when he went to Hawaii as a 17-year-old plantation worker sa mga plantations doon, ng mga pineapple plantations, and then he went on to be an electrician. He even worked at the big island of Hawaii, ganyan. And then he became secretary ng isang kumpanya. They put up a company. The name of the company is Northern Luzon Timber Company Incorporated. He was also a radio announcer with the station KTOH sa Hawaii. And then from secretary, he became vice president of the Northern Luzon Timber Company. At meron silang branch sa Plaza Goiti, now Escolta sa Manila. Kaya umuwi siya noon to do some troubleshooting. Because one of the lawyers medyo may mga milagro, so he had to come home to the Philippines. Pero nakita niya ang mother ko, and then he fell in love. Ayan, kaya ayun, na siya, nag-asawa siya, and he never went back. And as a result, 8 kaming magkakapatid. Kasi noon, lalo na pag walang electricity siguro Anyway, sino ba yung mga binabati ko rito? At may listahan ako sa harap ko ng mga naka-QN. Sila Nena Galan. Hello Nena, I know you were at the party of the Biakers 400 series sa November 18. That was a Friday. Ayun mga tropa kong mga Biakers 400. I know Nena was there. I believe she was wearing orange. Sumasayaw doon. Nasa table sila ni Marlene Jardine. Hello Marlene, how are you? Sila Susan, si Egay. Sino pa yung mga tropa dyan? Sila Cecil. Si Cecil saka si Ligaya, si Rudy saka si Offie. Nakita ko yung Christmas decorations nila, Offie saka si Rudy, sa East Vale, California. Ang daming ilaw parang dun sa Disneyland ba. It's a small world after all. Anyway, sino ba yung mga sila Peter sa Castina, andun sila Linda, si Linda, yung mga Salcedo, sino pa yan? Si Labuyo, at saka yung anak niya, saka si Frenchie. Si Frenchie, yung mister yung anak ni son-in-law ni Linda. I'm trying to visualize mga table kung sino nakaupo doon Sila asawa ni Reggie, si Alice, sino pa yung mga doon and we had so much fun out there kasi Manny has some friends na ganon, and they came in with the live band Snaps. The Snaps ang live band, and I think it's gonna start. I'm approaching the Mission Viejo corridor right now, and then nagjajam ng traffic kasi dito dahil sa intersection ng Highway 5 saka 405, the infamous 405. Ganyan, kaya magkakaroon ng intersection dito, kaya magjajam dito, and then once I go past the 405 intersection, and then I'll be heading towards downtown Los Angeles, the city of angels, na ganyan. Binabati ko rin sila paring Manny at saka si paring Flor Santiago, ang aking kapatid, yung mga taga Vegan City, na ganyan. Ayan, and I'm playing a lot of Christmas carols sa ating Jose Marichan sa kanyang album. Ito, ako mga hello Dubai, Mary Jane Alvero was also tuned in a while ago. Yung mga kaibigan natin dyan sa Yanbo, sila Ori Antonio, dyan sa Quezon, binabati ko rin sila. Dyan sila Dennis Fernandez, sila Joe Apanay, yung mga taga Solid West, sila Daisy Bolante, sila Lilia Valedor, sila yung mga Raguro family, sila Cesar Baldonado, si Tony, sino pa yun? Mga kaibigan natin dyan, sila Dolly Fermato, pinabati rin natin. Sino pa yung mga dyan? Marami mga tropa dyan sa Solid West, sa may Escribano Street. Sila Tony Vilhera, si Bing Amistad, hello, si Baby nga pala. Si Baby, pinabati ko rin dyan sa may San Francisco Bay Area. Sino pa? But anyway, we are tuned into dito po sa DJ Sky on the air. As I heard northbound, the time local is 9:51. It's almost 10 o'clock in the morning, December 3, 2016, right here sa Southern California. Broadcasting DJ Sky on the air. Kayo po ay nakikinig, ito mga Christmas songs ni Jose Marichan as I pass by the corridor of Mission Viejo. So far the traffic has stabilized, okay na naman. Yun, mga binabati ko mga naka-tune in, si LB Abawag ng Virginia, also pinapabot ang kanyang pagbati sa kanyang mga mahal sa buhay. Yung mga taga San Quintin, binabati ko rin po sila lahat dyan. Si Stanley, saka si JM, binabati ko rin po sila dyan. Mga taga CCBC, mga taga Cornerstone. Ay, Hacienda Heights, binabati ko rin si Dr. JV, saka si Rocky. Hello, Hacienda Heights, how are you doing? Kumusta man na po kayo dyan? I'm not sure si Christy Toto Go, hindi I cannot get hold of him. I was hoping I can have lunch or dinner with him na ganyan. So hopefully makapag-connect tayo sa kanila and then we can have lunch with mga tropa dyan. Marami din akong bats sa Los Angeles sila Ron Tejada, si Luz Castaneda, si Irene Pineda, si Lagring, Lasso, sino pa ang na-miss ko dyan sa Los Angeles, just to make sure, si Manny Castillo, Irene, I already said that. So yun, mga bats namin dyan sa Los Angeles corridor marami din sila dyan, but for some reason hindi mahilig maglakwadya. Hindi mahilig maglakwadya itong mga bats ko But hello to everyone out there. Again, it was nice to be able to broadcast live. And then ito ako, nasa intersection ako ng dito sa may 405 intersection. So I'm gonna hit the 5 northbound dahil and I had to make sure hindi ako pupunta dun sa carpool lane. Baka pumunta ako ng carpool lane titigitan ako malaki-laki din ang multa nun. So I think the ang fine yan mataas-taas din. But be careful out there. Huwag kayong magdala ng mga inflatables na ganyan. Anyway, balikan natin yung trending news sa Pilipinas. Yung reinstatement kay Colonel Marcos. It is, at first, if you think about it, it's very disturbing because ang karamihan na gusto ng tao is patalsikin si Marcos. Pero ini-reinstate ni President Duterte as sa PNP. And if you analyze that, yung kanyang action, bakit niya ni-reinstate si Colonel Marcos, yung team na nag-serve ng warrant, is because kung patatalsikin na siya, wala na siyang control doon sa tao na ganyan. By putting him under the uniform pa rin, so to speak, at least mamomonitor niya at saka they have control, they have jurisdiction sa kanya, di ba? And then somehow if they can have a strong case, then they can, I'm not sure how the Philippine Armed Forces is mako-court martial siya. They can court martial him na ganyan. So mas magandang naka-reinstate siya para ma-monitor siya, pero pa siyang ilagay sa stockades para whereas kung pinatalsik na siya, alis na yun, magtatago na lang na ganyan, di ba? And I just passed the 405 corridor dito sa Los Angeles as I go into the Anaheim corridor. Anaheim, as you know, is where the happiest place on earth, Disneyland, di ba? Anyway, so that's my take on bakit ini-reinstate si Colonel Marcos, the leader of the grupo na nag-serve ng warrant kay Espinosa, the former mayor of Albuero. So hello to everybody out there who want to tune in. You are tuning to DJ Sky on the air, December 3, 2016. Ano pa yung mga issues natin na let me see, get my cue. What are some of the issues na aking yung nakita niyo yung imbitasyon ng President-elect Trump extended an invitation to President Duterte to visit the US of A. Nakita nyo, and of course the inauguration is in January for the new President-elect Donald Trump. Ganyan. And very decisive, very hot yung last election dito sa Estados Unidos. Kaya nanalo si ko, nakala nila kasi mananalo si Hillary. Yun ang parang pinaano ng media kasi. So nagkaroon ng false sense of hopes ang mga tao. Ayan, hindi pala si Hillary ang nanalo, si Donald Trump. And come to think of it, Donald Trump is basically an outsider. Even the RNC, the Republican political group, a lot of them prominent did not even endorse him. Ayan, diba? Pero and yet he beat the odds. Tinalo niya kasi yung ano nga, yung silent majority nagsalita kasi napagod na sila. Now, what's his latest action? If you watch his news pronouncement, was that a day or 2 days ago, about binisita na sa Indiana. He visited the corporation, the company that makes a lot of the air conditioning, Carrier. Now, Carrier was destined to be relocating most of the jobs sa Mexico. In fact, ongoing yung construction ng mga building nila doon, malapit nang matapos. And yet, nung binisita na sa Indiana, kinausap niya, and of course through the courtesy of his Vice President-elect Michael Pence, they were able to work things out with the Carrier company who makes a lot of air conditioning na wag na lang mag-relocate sa Mexico at doon na lang sila sa Indiana to bring the jobs back sa US of A instead of taking out of the country na ganyan. So, little by little, he knows. He's a wheeler and dealer. He's a businessman. No. Ayan, tinan mo. And syempre, the way they package the whole thing is to give them tax breaks or any kind of discounts na maganyan under the government program. So, those kind of things. So, it's looking better for the President-elect Donald Trump na ganyan. Let me see. Ayun sa Pilipinas nga pala, just to remind, this is the time, December. Marami na siguro naka-receive na yung tawag nilang bonus nila na 13-month bonus sa Pilipinas. And I'm hoping na yung mga, lalo na in the private sector, na mabibigyan na rin ng mga bonus ng mga tao. Ibigyan naman nila, be generous to them para naman sila mayroong may bibili ng mga regalo para sa mga mahal na nila sa buhay. Na ganyan. Also, the increase on the salaries of Philippine nurses sa Pilipinas. There was a bill also, I think it's 2728, something like that, was just passed on the Senate hearing, on the third and the fifth hearing. It was passed on, and they raised the basic pay ng mga Philippine nurses, and rightfully so naman. Kasi naman, maraming nurses, kung ikaw, graduate ka ng nurses and you have your credentials sa Pilipinas, you will be exploring opportunities abroad. Kasi lalo na dito sa Canada or Estados Unidos, maraming napunta ng mga nurses dito, di ba? So those kind of things anyway. So the time is NIQN, and it's about 10 o'clock in the morning, Pacific Standard Time, Southern California, as I cruise through the Anaheim area. Dito it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 regular lanes, plus on my left there is a carpool lane. So there's a total of 7 lanes, typical of Southern California, typical of California freeways. Yan. Maraming lanes kaya kung minsan pag nagdadrive ka dito, kailangan antabayanan mo yung lane mo Kasi kung nasa left side most ka na ganon, bago kailangan mo mag-exit, ay wala ka na, hindi ka na makaka-exit. Lalo na pag nasa carpool lane ka. So you anticipate that. A lot of the GPS will give you a lane assist provision sa anyong GPS, meaning exit in 3 miles, please move to the right lane or something like that, di ba? O binibigyan kanya ng direction para hindi ka mabibigla. That's the same thing on 405 if you're going to LAX. Be careful when you're on the carpool lane. Kasi pag malapit ka na sa carpool lane, nasa leftmost lane ka, and then mag-exit, hindi ka na makaka-exit kasi ang daming lanes So be careful about those things. When you are there driving, drive safely. And I try to drive safely as much as I can, like I told you, without compromising safety. I drive the speed limit. I'm very slow here. I'm on because it's a 7, dami pala, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 lanes right now, and I am on the number 5 lane for now, nasa gitna. So those kind of things. Ano bang mga issues sa Pilipinas na ganyan? Nung Christmas carols, maraming umuwi sa Pilipinas. Sa atin mga taga North America o taga abroad, mahal ang ticket karamihan during the peak season of Christmas. So it's not easy to go home, but the ways you can beat that is you make your reservation 7 or 8 months ahead. Actually, you can make it about 10 months. I think 11 months is a little too soon. Minsan, ayaw mag-sell ng ano, pag kinuha mo yung ticket. But if you can buy your ticket way ahead of time, you'll be better off because you're not gonna pay an exorbitant amount of money just to come home for the holidays. But at the same time, most of the employers during that time is sarado rin. So we have holidays right up Christmas and into the New Year. And speaking about New Year, 2017 na naman. Sa ating. Ngayon, let me see, and then babalikan ko yung mga topic ko na mga trending news ng Pilipinas at patugtugin ko muna itong ating mga Christmas carols ni Jose Maricha. Kayo po nakikinig sa DJ Sky on the air. Sabado, December 3, 2060. Facebook Live on the road.
I sing my song for you, a song as new as when our love was born. For to me you'll always be as young as Christmas morn. My heart still skips a beat when we would kiss beneath the mistletoe. And through all these years I know I've loved you so. Our kids, they all have grown.
And like most of my listeners out there with DJ Sky on the air, I love you all and I hope you have the best of times during these holidays as we move on into the Christmas season and New Year. Ganyan. I hope you find time to be able to reconnect, have a reunion with your families, your friends, and be ready to welcome the year 2017.
And all I ask of you is keep on loving me. Our kids, they all have grown. We're on our own like how we used to be. But Christmas is family. That's how it will always be. For all the years to come, you'll be my present 'neath my Christmas tree. And all I ask of you is your love for me. That's all I need from you is your love for me.
Ayan. Those are the Christmas carols of Jose Maricha na ganyan. Ayan. Kaya kayo po nakikinig sa DJ Sky on the air. December 3, 2016. It is Saturday dito po sa North America. At pinapakabot ko ang aking pagsasalamat sa mga lahat na nag-tune in sa aking programa as I experiment with something that not normally done before. DJ Sky on the air, Facebook Live on the road. Ayan, northbound 5 heading towards the City of Angels. Ayan, di ba? Sa ating mga tagapakinig, thank you very much sa pag-tune in ninyo. as I approach the corridor heading into the northbound 5 na ganyan. Dito heading into the Los Angeles downtown area where we have it's a very as you know, sunny weather naman dito. Although if you like snow, by the way, you can always go to Big Bear. If you like snow, go to Big Bear. Ganyan. Binabati ko rin sila OG Cruz dyan sa New Orleans, sa Louisiana. Hello, OG! How are you? Yan si OG Cruz, ang ating double winner. 2 consecutive winners ng Broadcaster of the Year. Ganyan. He has a professional career as a school teacher dyan sa New Orleans, Louisiana. Ganyan. So he has to move on, but he still broadcasting is in his blood naman, kaya hindi niya maiiwanan yan si Ogie. Alam mo naman yan. Sila yung mga lahat ng fellow broadcasters ko dyan, binabati ko rin sila. Oh, by the way, there is a on Monday at 5, I believe at 5 p.m. around 5 p.m. or 7 p.m. Vic hello Vic Escondido, kumusta na dyan? Pinapaabot ko rin, there is a Christmas party here at the Korean restaurant Taegukki dyan sa Claremont. So there is a Christmas party get together Monday, December 5 dyan sa may Claremont. May isang Korean restaurant doon sa may malapit sa pinupuntahan kong may karaoke doon sa may Minchok daw. Pero yung isang grocery doon ng mga Orientals, I believe that's where it's at. So that is on Monday, I believe 5 p.m. or 7 p.m. with all the broadcasters ng Radio Filipino America. There is a as queued in Vic got hold of me last night on Facebook, kaya I responded to that. For some reason hindi raw niya matawagan na aking phone, kaya siguro kanon baka ayaw mag-queue siguro yung telepono niyo kasi hindi kayo nakikinig sa DJ Sky on the air. Anyway, I'm heading I am probably about I'd say 15-20 minutes away from downtown Los Angeles. As I go through, I probably left the Anaheim corridor already. So anyway, and I'm going through the lanes here, and I changed lanes safely, very intentional. I'm not overspeeding. I'm still running speed limit here as I broadcast with DJ Sky on the air. Again, yung mga one more time, I'll queue in, I'll greet every one of you out there, sila Kaver, si Kari Orsi, all my listeners out there na ganyan, si LB Abawag, si lahat ng mga, I apologize if I miss your name, and I'm trying, si Don and Tio de Cook, si Dennis, saka si Emmy Pascual, sila LB Abawag of Virginia, si Kaver and Janet ng Florida, si Kari Arizal ng Quezon City, at lahat na rin yung mga ladies ng CCBC, si Kari Orsi, may bahay ni naka-queue kanina dyan, si Ka Eddie, si Melly Sumalnap and the Sumalnap family of the Mira Mesa area, binabati ko rin po sila Sheila Manikan of Sorrento Valley, si Ate Melly, and ganoon na rin ang Manikan family, Vincent dyan sa Pilipinas, si Claudette Kerubin dyan sa mga taga Sacramento, binabati ko rin po siya, si aking Brad Edwin, si Marites as I go Facebook Live, Vegan City, binabati ko rin po sila, dyan kanina si Marla Vergara, hello, si Manang Nena Robio Mena, also from the Travis area, Northern California, mga tropang Northern California yan, mga kabayan, kamag-anak namin from Abra, si Manang Nena, she was tuned in a while ago, I saw her name, si Fred Agkawili, mga Kawili family of Hanford, Limor area, yan, sila Conlo, matagal ko nang walang narinig kay Fred Conlo Regards into the Conlu family, if you ever see them, Fred, kumusta kayo dyan? Si Dana Barcesa dyan sa Hawaii, at lahat na ng mga kamag-anak ko sa Hawaii, binabati ko rin sila dyan. Siyempre, marami akong kamag-anak dyan sa Hawaii. Si Nena Galan was there also, close family friends nila Marilyn Jardine. Hello, sila guys, sila Susan, sila Alice, sila Tina, Peter, si Baby, pero wala si Jeff ngayon. Jeff nasa Pilipinas, I think. Jeff De Los Santos nasa Pilipinas ngayon, naglalaro ng golf. Ayun, mag-hole in one. Ngayon. Hoy, ano sinasabi nyo? Si paring Manny at saka si Flor Santiago family na yan. Binabati ko rin ang aking Brad, si Edwin, Brad Orly, si Becky, Jojo, yan, si Alvin, si Shirley, sa West Sacramento, si Jackie, who's I think birthday niya sa December 5, si Jackie. Hello, in regards to you and your family also, and the rest of the Vegan City and all the listeners that I have. Again, thank you very much. The local time is about 13 minutes after 10 o'clock in the morning na ganyan. At binabati natin lahat yung mga tagapakinig ng DJ Sky on the air as I experiment with the broadcast Facebook Live right here on the road. On the road. Ganyan ba? So anyway, binabati natin, and I just went past Highway 91. And then the next one is probably heading into the downtown area as I shift to the leftmost lane on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lane freeway, including the carpool lane. Ganyan. So, kayo po yung nakikinig, and one more time, one music, and then I'll sign off. And thank you very much sa pagtangkilik nyo sa aking programa. Salamat. Hello, Melchora of Paris. Andyan din si Mel pala. Hello, Mel. How are you doing? Nakita ko lang kasi nano ko yung mata ko. Hello, Mel. Hello, Paris. She's also part of our batch. Divine Word College of Vegan, class of 7-0. Hello, Mel. Meron pang isang pangalan, but I'm trying not to be unsafe driver. Si Ragoro. The Ragoro family also is naka-queue in. Si Edwin Barcena, ang aking kapatid. But anyway, featuring the songs of Jose Marichan. Ito po.
Ito na naman tayo, tila nagkakagulo. Tuwing sasabit na siya, Merry Christmas.
Pasko na naman, mga kaibigan.
Daming inaalok, magtatago iyak, Merry Christmas. Kay saya ng mga reunion. Andyan ang kaleret at lechon. Nagsasama-sama, taway ay liwog na. Ang kapuso, kapatid at kapamilya. Tayo ay sadyang ganyan, ang pagmamahalan. Ganyan lang ang Pinoy na Christmas. Sa pagdating ng Happy New Year, lahat nagsasayahan. Panibagong pag-asa na ang darating sa bawat pamilya. At sabay sa countdown, laging lahat nagbabati na. Wala nang masisiyaw pa kapag ang lahat magkasama. Ganyan ang Pinoy, parang walang problema. Magmula simbang gabi, kahit nagpupuyat lagi, hanggang sa araw ng Merry Christmas. Chocolate at pulburo, bibingka at tutubumbong, sari-sari ang handa, Merry Christmas. buena. Hindi pwedeng walang quezon de bola. Lagi lang tandaan ang tanging dahilan kung bakit tayo ay nagdiriwang. Ito ang araw ni Jesus, isinilang sa mundo. Ito ang ating Merry Christmas. Tayo ay sadyang ganyan, ang pagmamahalan. Ganyan lang ang Pinoy na Christmas. Pinoy na Christmas. Pinoy na Christmas. Pinoy na pop 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 pop.
Ayan mga kaibigan, ito at nag-i-slow down. You have to be careful pag ganyan, pag nagmo-multitasking kayo. Siyempre, especially you're in a freeway like this, pag nag-slow down na ganyan, maraming naririyan kasi they're not paying attention to what they're doing. So you have to be consciously be paying attention, otherwise maririyan kayo. And I remember just last week, kami ng anak ko nagdadrive siya and I was in the back, kasama niya siya sa harap at saka yung girlfriend niya. Muntik na kaming T-bone, classic na ganyan. But anyway, tinitingnan ko yung mga queuing dyan without distracting myself sa aking programa na ganyan. Baka mamaya ako makakaririyan dito. So I'm trying to drive consciously, drive safely. There's always a construction here dito sa approaching the Los Angeles area na ganyan. Kaya we have to be careful as we slow down sometimes kasi nag-i-slow down bigla na ganyan So if you're not paying attention, that's when nagkakaroon ng rear end, nare-rear end yung mga tao na ganyan. So look at that, we just slow down. But anyway, thank you dyan sa mga nag-queue in, meron bang, I'm trying to read the names but malayo kasi yung aking monitor. So those things, but anyway, I tried this. I'm pushing the envelope. You have to consciously be driving para hindi ma-compromise yung driving safety ninyo. So if anything else na I can always disconnect the Facebook Live. That's my plan of attack. Siyempre, when I was toying with this idea, let me try this one. DJ Sky on the air, only on Facebook Live, only DJ Sky on the air, broadcasting live habang on the road tayo northbound towards the city of Angel. December 3 edition ng 2016. It is a Saturday dito. Regards lahat sa ating mga listeners dyan. At I'm trying to read some of the names. Binabati ko rin yung mga Baula family, dyan si Belmar, dyan sa Mira Mesa. To all the usual listeners ko ng DJ Sky on the air. Si Mel sa Paris is also tuned in. Andyan siya ngayon. So this is a way of maximizing the technology. And it's here, why not? So make sure you have a very stable bandwidth. May access ka ng internet and that's all you need. And then you have your Facebook Live, Facebook account. And then you can do your live. Anyway, I'm trying to read the names before I sign out. But I do, si Edwin pala yung naka-Q&A isa. But again, thank you very much sa lahat ng mga taga Sacramento. Binabati ko, taga Middle East. Binabati ko rin po sila taga Pilipinas, mga taga Quezon City, taga Vigan City, taga Abra, lahat dyan ng mga nakikinig ng DJ Sky on the air. As I broadcast, I push the envelope and I explore all possible technologies that will help me. Again, I remind you, comes the holidays, I will be broadcasting through the facilities of FBS Radio Network sa Pilipinas, sa Mandaluyong, Rizal, with a DWBL 1242 AM on your kilohertz radio. And then I'll be experimenting with little gadgets that I'll be pulling. Hopefully, I can pull internet from the satellite instead of the local internet. Kasi very unstable sa Pilipinas because minomonopolize kasi sa Pilipinas na ganyan. And don't get me going basta internet sa Pilipinas I've said this many times. Ang internet sa Pilipinas, hindi mabagal, mabilis yan. Ang nagpapabagal lang yung dalawang kumpanya na nagmomonopolize. Yan. How dumb is that? Na ganyan. Pero kung magbabayad ka ng 5,000 pesos and up, bibigyan ka ng mabilis na internet. Anong kalokohan yan? Ayan. But anyway, salamat sa pagtangkilig yung aking mga kaibigan. Kayo po'y nakikinig sa DJ Sky on the air. First time Facebook Live. First time Facebook on the road. Broadcasting northbound towards the City of Angels. Magandang araw, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Thank you very much and God bless you all as I play one more time Christmas Carol.
Let's throw away the old and ring in the new. This new year will brighten for me and for you. May your hurts and fears all disappear, your fondest dreams come true. A merry, merry Christmas and a happy, happy new year to you. Let's throw away the old and ring in the new. This new year will brighten for me and for you.
Binabati ko rin yung mga taga San Nicolas, nga pala mga taga Payas at San Nicolas, dyan sa Ilocos Norte, sila Sister at saka sila Luz. Also greetings to everyone, sila Nana dyan sa may San Nicolas. Lahat dyan sila Sister Chita at saka si Luz, si Nana and the rest of the Factora family dyan sa San Nicolas. Binabati ko po kayo dyan sa Norte. Magandang araw po, salamat po.
Heto na naman tayo, tila nagkakagulo. Tuwing sasabit na siya, Merry Christmas. Ibo ang kamag-anak, kay daming inaalak. Magtatago iyak, Merry Christmas. Kay saya ng mga reunion. Andyan ang kaleret at lechon. Nagsasama-sama, taway ay limot na.
Siyempre, binabati ko rin yung aking mga kaibigan dyan sa Bigan City, sa Solid West, sa Escribano. Sila Cesar Baldonado, Tony Vilhera, sila Dolly Fermato, sila Daisy Bulante, Lilia Valedor, sila Dennis Fernandez, Bing Amistad, lahat ng mga kaibigan natin, mga Raguro family dyan sa Solid West. Hello, and again, I'm signing out. Ito po ang inyong kaibigan. Salamat sa mga nagtangkilik at nag-tune in sa DJ Sky on the air. Experimenting with a Facebook Live. First time Facebook on the road as I broadcast with DJ Sky on the air. December 3 edition 2016. It is a Saturday. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat and God bless you all.
Ganyan ang Pinoy para walang problema. Magmula simbang gabi kahit nagpupuyat lagi hanggang sa araw ng Merry Christmas.
Hello, Alfie. How are you? I see Rudy at saka si Hello Eastvale, si Offie, at saka si Rudy. Binabati ko rin sila. Nakita ko yung pangalan niya. Kaya, at kailangan mo ng generator dyan sa bahay ninyo. Yung sa dami ng ilaw. Sabi ko, I'll be doing my Christmas carols on Facebook Live or Skype. Hello to Rudy. Magandang araw din sa kanya.
Isinilang sa mundo, ito ang ating Merry Christmas. Tayo ay sadyang ganyan, ang pagmamahalan. Ganyan lang ang Pinoy na Christmas. Pinoy na Christmas. Pinoy na Christmas. Pinoy na pop, 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 pop. Let's throw away the old and ring in the new. This new year will brighten for me and for you. May your hurts and fears all disappear, your fondest dreams come true. A merry, merry Christmas and a happy, happy new year to you. Let's throw away the old and ring in the new. This new year will brighten for me and for you. May your hurts and fears all disappear, your fondest dreams come true.